Hello friends, welcome to Tutorial Days, and in this video I'm going to show you how to host a free WordPress website on server. In the last video I have shown you how to host PHP MySQL project, but in this video I'm going to show you how to host your WordPress project for free. This is particularly, as I told you before, this is very useful for students who want to explore, who wants to learn WordPress before going into the actual hosting. So if you go to here, so this is the video, this one, how to host PHP MySQL project on server. In this video I will show you how to host WordPress project for free. Okay, so in the previous video I have shown how to create the account, so all the things. Now in this video, in case if you have not referred, I recommend you to watch this video till second half at least, then you move to this video. In case you have not created account, then it's very easy, just you need to sign up and then log in. Okay, so in case you sign up here, then you need to put here email ID and password. There is nothing special about this. Once you sign up, then you need to sign in. After signing, you will see in the account section you can create 3 projects. I have already created one project here, one account here actually. So you can create up to 3 accounts in single this after logging in. Okay, now what I will do, let me do one thing. I will create another one account and I will show you. So while creating the account, you have 4 options. These are paid, so definitely we are not interested in paid one currently, but for learning purpose, first for exploring how it works, first let's check the first one. So create now. It's totally 100% free and lifetime, as it has mentioned. So I'll write here to WordPress. Okay, and then you need to select any one of these. So I'll select this one. So this will be the extension. Apart from that, if you have any custom domain, then you can write your attach your custom domain, and for that you need to set up here this DNS name in your going into the DNS. So let's proceed with this one. Now check availability. Yes, this is available, and finally you need to provide here password. So I will provide here password, simple one. Tut learn. Create account. Finally the account has been created, and you need to go to control panel, approve, and it will redirect you to cPanel. Now if you want to check your website, then go back here and then click on account. This was my this is my newly created account. This was my previous one. Okay, this one is already running. Here you can see perfectly. I had shown how to host a PHP project on this free website. Now I will show you how to host the project, this free project. It takes some times before populating, so it might have not populated. It will take some time, so you need to wait. Okay, it will take time. In the meantime, what we will do, let's go here and then we will use this one. Okay, and then install WordPress. Now we need to select here the domain which is already selected here, to WordPress greatsite.net, and this is the WordPress version. Admin username, I'm simply giving admin, and then password 123, and this is my email ID, and all these features are there. Plugins, if you want to give, then you can check, those plugins will be also installed. And then there are different themes. It is saying there is no other themes currently. So finally, these are the themes which you can select. So let's select this one, select theme, yes, and then finally install. So it is getting installed. We need to wait. And yes, successfully it got installed. Now if you go to admin section, since the domain is not populated yet, so we need to wait for some time, then we will proceed ahead. This one also will not work. Normally what happens, if you open here, then it is cached actually, okay, so it will show you again and again same. So what you need to do, just copy this and then open this into incognito so that there is no cache. So this one is showing same, so it may take some time to populate the domain, so let's wait. Okay, so guys, finally you can see this domain is live, and now our WordPress website is successfully installed here, and it is active as well. So now if we will check its admin part, then we can check its admin part as well. So wp admin, it was admin and admin 123. Yes, so this is the admin section. Here you can post pages, whatever you want you can do from here. So as you can see that successfully you can host your WordPress website here for free, and this is very effective if you are learning. So you can explore here, learn here, and then finally you can host. In the next video I will show you how to add custom domain in this one.